Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this continuous border or edging. So let's get started. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns, and many of them are free, or on Etsy. HectaFavorites is my shop name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, chain 1 and pull it up to make a long loop. Yarn around the hook, insert into the chain 1 and pull up a long loop. Yarn around the hook, insert into the chain 1, pull up a long loop, and one more time, yarn around the hook, insert into the chain 1 and pull up a loop. You're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops on the hook. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all 7 loops on the hook. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to slip stitch into the base of the puff stitch. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come back up to here and slip stitch into the chain 1. Make 9 single crochet in this chain 6 loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Slip stitch in the base of the puff stitch. Now I'm going to make 9 single crochet in this chain 6 loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Slip stitch, and there's the first motif. Now you're going to chain 1, pull up a long loop, yarn around the hook, insert into this chain 1, and pull up a long loop. 2 more times, 1 and 2. You'll have 7 loops on the hook, 2, 4, 6, 7. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all 7 loops on the hook. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chain 6. Slip stitch in the base of the puff stitch. Now I'm going to chain 6 and I'm going to slip stitch in that first chain stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip stitch in that chain 1. Make 9 single crochet in the chain 6 loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now there's the base of the puff stitch. I'm going to slip stitch into that stitch at the base of that slip stitch. And now I'm going to make 9 single crochet in the chain 6 loop. And I'm back at the top, so I'm going to slip stitch in that first chain 1. Like that. And you're just going to continue to repeat that over and over. until you have worked as long as you need. And there you go. That's how easy it is to crochet this border or edging. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.